Hi, this is Hanna Podbielski, and this is my FMS shoulder mobility screening. So before we start, I wanted to note that two things. One, that I performed the clearing test before this, and that it was a negative score. So that means we can continue on with the shoulder mobility test. And that prior to filming, we measured my hand length, and it came to about 7 inches, which is important to know so that we can correctly identify what score I would receive. So as we play the video, I put my hand back and she's going to measure them. As we heard, she gave me a score of 6, which means that my fists are within one hand's length. So as I'll skip forward, we'll play it again and we'll listen to the score that she gives me.
Hello. For 1 second.
I'm just
Alright.
For that one, I received a score of 5, which again is within one hand length. And then we'll go through one more test.
I was gonna. Go ahead.
Whoa.
Whoa. 7.
And she said it was within 7 inches. Again, that is still within one hand's width one hand's length, because my hands are 7 inches long. So for this side, I'd rate myself with a score of 3, because all 3 tests were with my fists within one hand length. So now we're going to measure the other side. Take my left arm, put it over the top.
Oh. And go ahead. 7.
That was a score of 7. So as we see here, that is still within one hand length, because my hands are 7 inches long. We repeat it again.
Thank you. 5.
I was within 5 inches, and again, that's within one hand's length. Last time.
That's a nice stretch.
Alright, go ahead.
I'm not confident.
And for that one, she said about like 6. Let's replay it one more time just to see if we can hear her more clearly. She said 6.5. So again, that is within one hand's length. So since all 3 of my scores were within one hand length, I would give myself a score of 3 on the left side shoulder mobility test.